Good morning. So we stayed here last night, woke up to some nice views and the sunshine, so we got the solar out having breakfast, and then once we do that we'll be on the road and we'll tell you where we're going.
Good morning.
Hello.
Just had a nice relaxed breakfast at Oamaru Freedom Camp, which is where we were. Nice mountain views this morning, and we're just gonna go on our way to Oamaru today, or Oamaru.
But first we need to go shopping.
Yeah, so we're gonna go do some bits. We need to go to a New World and get some groceries, and we need to get some gas for the stove.
Yeah.
And then we might go to the steampunk place there, as well as the library, before parking up in a car park later, because we want to see if we can wander to see the penguins. Not sure if we can see them for free. Yeah, so it's a nice morning. Stunning hills around.
Biplane? No plane? Yellow, see?
No. Oh yeah, over there. There's like a biplane going off to do a scenic flight. Getting lovely views. The pass and road that we're going on today is full of Scottish name places like Lake Aviemore. Yeah, nice views. Lovely views on the lakes. Have some very uneven lunch, but we're just by Bushy Bay Scenic Reserve, which sometimes has penguins and wildlife and stuff on it, but it's obviously the middle of the day, so we shall see. But this area is known to yellow-eyed penguins, and then sometimes fur seals, sea lions, and Hector's dolphins.
Contact DOC if you see a penguin being harassed or molested.
Got a few seals and sea lions on the beach. Oamaru town, you've got all the old Victorian section here with the harbour, and then these wharfs have penguins on later, lots of birds during the day. So this is like the Victorian section. old buildings here. Looks like being at home. And there is also the steampunk museum, where you can see like the old train blimp and stuff there. Steampunk HQ. Yeah, cute little area, something different for New Zealand, but very similar to home. Now to find the library. So we've come into the Victorian section and we've come to the Harbour Street Collective Cafe with Overdale 7. It's cute though. Yeah, the whole area is actually more interesting than it looked when we first drove through it. So this is the Victorian section of Oamaru. Really cute. Lots of little vintage shops and galleries and op shops. Steampunk Central. This is a very cool play park.
What kids park should be there?
Fun. Massive digger. Penny farthing. And the elephant. And some random horses.
It's American.
Active tree line. But they've got all the old bits and pieces around. Interesting little area. Tree. The Penguin Club. Now we've got the steampunk museum there. Filled with all sorts of bits and pieces.
Yes, we're not going in it though, because A, we're cheapskates, and B, where we used to live in the UK has basically one of the biggest steampunks meetups in the world, so it doesn't really feel necessary.
No, it's also shut now. So we parked up in the Freedom Camping, which is in town.
Which is just a car park.
Just a car park, but it's a car park.
Yeah,
It's fine.
it's fine.
Yeah, and then we've got a sausage roll and pie from Zed because we had to fill our tyres up. Pretty sure we've got a slow puncture, so we'll have to sort that out.
Yeah, but we'll get it sorted.
Yeah, so we're going to eat, chill for a bit, and then we'll wander down the front to see if we can see any penguins for free later.
Yeah, it's not necessarily likely because of the area they go, but you know, it's free.
Yeah, you have to pay $40 otherwise each to go to the bit where all of them are. So we shall see you later. But yeah, just gonna chill.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Don't know what's going on with my hair, but so we are on our way to go see if we can see some penguins. So we've had dinner and we've just been sorting out stuff in the van, doing that sort of things, and come out at dusk, which looks a bit brighter for you than it actually is. Joys of cameras. But yeah, so we're gonna go see if there's any penguins. If there are, cool, we'll show you. If there aren't, which is a much more likely thing, we're gonna probably end this video here.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll end this video here. So yeah, if you see some penguins, we saw some penguins. If we didn't see some penguins, then we'll see you in the next video.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, it's been a nice little town. We have someone parked so close to us because we're right next to a St. John's ambulance place, and we're not in their spots, we checked, but we're close to their spots, and I think they've taken umbrage to that. So we will go from there. But yeah, see you in a bit, guys. Alex showed off some of the buildings earlier, but the brewery's all lit up. Looks very inviting, but we're gonna probably give it a miss.